Hey everyone, welcome back to Nature Travel Boy TV. Today, we're in one of Iceland's most breathtaking locations, Skogafoss waterfalls. This is one of the biggest and most iconic waterfalls in the country, and trust me, it's even more stunning in person. So, let's dive in and explore everything Skogafoss has to offer. Nestled in the southern region of Iceland, Skogafoss is one of the country's most iconic waterfalls, drawing visitors from around the world with its breathtaking beauty and sheer power. This majestic waterfall, standing at 60 meters, 197 feet, tall and 25 meters, 82 feet, wide, is fed by the Skógá River and is the last in a series of around 20 waterfalls along the river. Skogafoss not only captivates with its impressive dimensions but also with its scenic surroundings, making it a must-see destination for anyone exploring Iceland. The legend of Skogafoss. Skogafoss is steeped in local folklore. According to legend, the first Viking settler in the area, Throsi Thorolfsson, hid a chest of treasure in a cave behind the waterfall. The legend goes that local villagers once found the chest and tried to retrieve it, but only managed to grasp the ring on its side before it disappeared again. The ring is said to have been placed in the local church, and it now resides in the Skógar Museum. This tale adds an air of mystery to the falls, enticing visitors with the allure of hidden riches. Spectacular views and rainbows. One of the most striking features of Skogafoss is the rainbow phenomenon that frequently occurs on sunny days. Due to the waterfall's mist and the angle of the sun, single or even double rainbows are often visible, creating a magical sight that leaves onlookers spellbound. Photographers and nature enthusiasts flock to Skogafoss to capture these rainbows, making it a favorite spot for Instagram-worthy shots. Hiking and exploring around Skogafoss. The area around Skogafoss offers numerous hiking opportunities. A popular trail, known as the Fimbulthulls hike, starts near the waterfall and leads up into the highlands between the glaciers Eyjafjallajökull and Mýrdalsjökull, eventually reaching the Thorsmork Valley. This challenging yet rewarding trail covers diverse landscapes, including volcanic terrain, lush meadows, and more waterfalls, making it a highlight for avid hikers. Visitors can also climb the staircase that runs alongside Skogafoss to a viewing platform at the top of the falls. The climb offers a stunning perspective of the waterfall from above, as well as panoramic views of the coastline and surrounding countryside. On a clear day, the view extends to the ocean, providing a breathtaking vantage point that captures the essence of Iceland's dramatic landscape, wildlife and nature. Skogafoss and its surroundings are rich in biodiversity. During the warmer months, the area is home to various bird species, including puffins, which nest along the nearby cliffs. The Skógá River is also popular with anglers, offering opportunities to catch salmon and trout. The lush greenery and thriving wildlife around Skogafoss make it a perfect spot for nature lovers and those seeking to immerse themselves in Iceland's natural beauty. Practical tips for visiting Skogafoss. Skogafoss is easily accessible from Iceland's Ring Road, making it a convenient stop for those driving along the southern coast. There is a parking area near the falls, as well as basic facilities such as restrooms and a small cafe. To make the most of your visit, consider arriving early in the morning or later in the evening to avoid the crowds and enjoy the falls in a more tranquil setting. For photographers, the best light for capturing the falls is during the early morning or late afternoon when the sun is lower in the sky, enhancing the colors and creating those magical rainbows. Be sure to bring waterproof gear, as the spray from the falls can be quite intense, especially if you venture closer to the base. Skogafoss is a true gem of Iceland, offering a combination of awe-inspiring natural beauty, intriguing folklore, and accessible adventure. Whether you're drawn by the thundering sound of the waterfall, the vibrant rainbows, or the promise of hidden Viking treasure, a visit to Skogafoss is sure to be a highlight of your Icelandic journey. This stunning waterfall encapsulates the wild and untamed spirit of Iceland, making it an unforgettable destination for travelers from around the globe. Let's go Nature Travel Boy.
Show me a way out, give me your side of the story. Throw me a rope here, I've drifted way too far. I see it sometimes behind those kind eyes. I see it sometimes behind those kind eyes. Wake me up when this is all over, and take my heart with both of your hands. I've been spending all my days just trying to find a way. Give me love when this is all over. It's been a long time coming, but it feels all the same anyway. You'll be in my mind in any given part of the day. Give me love when this is all over, and take my heart with both of your hands. I've been spending all my days just trying to find a way. Give me love when this is all over. Love will carry all our days till we find another way. No one ever said it'd be easy. Love will carry all our days till we find another way. No one ever said it'd be easy. Give me love when this is all over, and take my heart with both of your hands. I've been spending all my days just trying to find a way. Give me love when this is all over.
Tuesday, I first met you far and wide. How could I forget your bright eyes when you told me your name? And tell me your favorite number was it? Spell I'm understaring at the most beautiful girl. I wouldn't wanna figure this out with anyone else but you. And I know you're lonely, but this song will last. I searched for my whole life for love so true. Despite the distance, I'm right here with you. The long talks, the awkward silence, late nights, walking through the garden, running with your hand in mine. And sunset upon our faces, heartbeats, we're changing paces when you said you'd be mine. I wouldn't wanna figure this out with anyone else but you. I know you're lonely, but this song will have to do. I searched for my whole life for love so true. Despite the distance, I'm right here with you. Despite the distance, I'm right here with you.
Rainy days never felt so nice. The sky bleeds just to feel more right. Overcast wasn't overdone. What we needed was to overcome. Rainy days never felt so nice. Bitter cold never felt so good. Grips me better than it's a given. Good things, they come and go every minute, I know. But to be honest, I'll admit it, the only good thing that you left was a sense to know what I didn't, yeah, what I didn't need. Darkness, then the boy shines light. The sun always was a bit too bright.